Have you ever wanted something for so long? Something that comes into mind from time to time and you really just can't forget. And there is a shoe that I've wanted ever since I was in grade school, and that is the Nike Air Max 1. Last weekend, Soul Academy celebrated their 7th anniversary and treated customers with a 30% discount on all pairs in store and online. This was the perfect opportunity for me to pick it up, and it was at a bargain. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we have the Nike Air Max 1 Curry Pack in the Tough Red, Rush Red, Pale Vanilla Mushroom colorway.
Alright, alright, alright.
The Curry Pack came in 3 colorways: brown, green, and red. Soul Academy had the green and red, and both were fire. I didn't know what to pick. I didn't want to pick both because naman, this habit can break the bank if you're not careful. So to get help, I put up a quick poll on Facebook to see what my friends think, and after 30 minutes, the Reds had it. This curry pack is based on the curry dishes in Thailand, and this shoe sports a deep red hue. The upper is composed of quality suede, nubuck, and mesh. The toe overlay is where the suede is, and it runs towards the side of the forefoot and all the way back to the heel. And the heel is a cut and sew situation right here because it has 2 layers of suede where it gives more stability to your heel. Now the nubuck is in the laces, and it gives more durability to the laces so that your laces won't mess up the mesh or rip it out. And the nubuck really feels good on hand, and it goes down here to the lateral side for aesthetics. Now the mesh is the Pale Vanilla Mushroom colorway, and it's really good and adds breathability to the shoe. Now the Nike Air Max branding, or the Nike Air branding, can be seen on the tongue, the insole, the outsole, and the heel over here. And ladies and gentlemen, this branding in the heel was such a head turner back in the day. Now of course, the main feature of this shoe is the midsole right here. Now aside from it being white, giving it a very clean look, it was the first ever Nike Air shoe to sport a feature that is the visible air unit right here. Now, as you can see, Nike Air is true. Now, before, the Nike Air models didn't sport this feature, and many thought that Nike Air, this was just a gimmick. But maybe they just needed to see to believe. Nike responded with this pair, and it all started in 1987. And man, that was 31 years ago. Now, as I've said, this silhouette is 31 years old, and it never went out of style. This curry pack came out first 15 years ago, back in 2003, and look at this, it's still here. Nike restocked this, and they restocked it for a reason, because sneakerheads wanted this for their collection. You can still see these pairs in places like Soul Academy, and they're still at retail price. It's not going down except for that weekend, so I really grabbed that chance to get these pair, and these are on fire. I'm really gonna rock these. I'm just gonna wear them down, make sure to get mileage on these, and man, I'm just excited to rock these very soon. Before I end this video, I'd like to share my first experience with this pair, and it was back in 5th grade, where my friend and classmate Francis owned one. Actually, I borrowed that shoe for a few days, and man, I loved it so much, it never left my mind. So here I am, owning my first ever pair of Air Max 1s, and these guys are classics, and when things go out of style, you can be sure that the Air Max 1 won't go out of style. It'll always be in fashion, and you can always rock these with anything you can think of. It could be shorts, pants, joggers, or zip pants. I'm not sure what people wear these days, but I always wear shorts. So this basically is one of the safest bets that you can get from your shoe cabinet. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you like this unboxing, if you like this short review of this video, please do hit the subscribe button below and follow me on Instagram at the Buy Next Door. That's it for now. Bye.